First, create a new scene. Extra 3D scene, name it laser. Add a recast. Add a CSG combiner. And on the combiner, add a cylinder. Add a box. Then make the box a subtraction. Scale the box down. Put it in. Put it in. Move it up. And scale this down about a tiny bit to the height to where you want it to be. How long you want the laser to be. Move it up. Then grab this guy. Move him up to the tip of the length of the laser. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to get it centered. Then get a raycast, move it over. Oops. Sorry, move that to the laser, not to be a child. And move that over. Set the length to about the length of the laser. So about there. Okay. Then set it back to 0. This position, so you can see it. Now, need to create a script, laser, get a reference to everything, reverse, recast, then on ready for get the CSG box and call it a laser mask. Then in the process function, get var object dot recast, oops, dot get collider, then var hit point equal recast dot get collision point. Then if object not equal now, then say laser mask dot height is equal to hit point dot distance to laser mask dot global position global transform dot origin times 2. Else laser mask the height equal to 0.01. Object. There you go. Save as the laser. Already have a world, so let's put it in. And laser. Move it up. I have this here to show the effect. So let's display that. Oh, don't forget to enable the laser. Always do it. Oh. Enable the raycast to me. There you go. Jump up, see the effect happening. Alright, and that's the laser. Okay, so if you want the laser effect, you know, the gun cylinder, add spatial material, albedo, let's go with red. And then emission, let's go with red as well. Oops. Then you have to save here, create a world. Oh, wrong thing. World environment. New environment. Background. Sky. Procedural. And go down to glow enabled. These are the first two levels. Disable these levels. Intensity over there. Strand. Bring bloom a bit. Screen. What else I should mess with? To make sure that the effect is high enough actually. Go back to here. That emission energy. Alright, let's try that. There you go. There you have it, a laser. See you guys.